Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul line dancing, and I'm here to present a little Southern soul to you, for you. The name of it is Can't Nobody. The song is Can't Nobody, and the artist is Audiyo featuring Tucker, and the choreography is Calvin Pie Allen. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And I'm sorry, 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction of this line dance, please watch to the end and I'll pin the instructional, okay? And here we go. Can't Nobody. name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.